Welcome back. NIO just had a powerful bounce today, climbing nearly 8% to close at $4.87. And while intraday volatility has been high, this rally is exactly the kind of follow-through a long-term bull wants to see. Let's dig into why this move happened, and what it means for investors watching the NIO story. First, the fundamentals remain intact. NIO's mass market pivot led by Onvo and Firefly continues to deliver results. June deliveries saw over 40% of units come from those sub-brands, clear evidence that NIO's broader strategy is starting to work. That momentum carried into test drives and pre-order excitement around the Onvo L90 and L60 models. Second, the margin story hasn't changed. NIO is still targeting adjusted operating profitability by Q4 2025 and remains committed to aggressive cost controls, targeting SG&A expenses below 10% of revenue. Investors want to see that progress, and today's bounce suggests cumulative confidence in that direction is returning. Another catalyst today came from technical charts. Recent price action triggered a short-term momentum reversal. A 9-day EMA has now reclaimed the 21-day EMA, a bullish crossover that technical traders love. And with the MACD holding above its signal line and RSI nearing neutral territory, it signals there's room for more upside before the stock looks overbought. Yahoo Finance, plus 15. The Tradable, plus 15. Benzinga, plus 15. Yahoo Finance, plus 2. Wikipedia, plus 2. Market Beat, plus 2. Support levels around $3.60 remain intact, and the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, is emerging as a breakout level to watch. If NIO can stay above that, it could boost short-term sentiment further. Bollinger Bands have also expanded, indicating volatility is returning, and today's rally filled some of that gap to the upside. The Tradable. On the market side, NIO is riding a wave with tech and EV stocks overall, especially among Chinese EV peers like Li Auto and XPeng, which are also seeing strong trading. That broader sector strength may have pulled NIO along with it today. Finvias.com, plus 7. TradingView, plus 7. Markets.businessinsider.com, plus 7. Volume also tells a story. Today's session saw high volume buy signals despite earlier weakness. That suggests institutional participation and the possibility of a short covering squeeze, given that short interest remains elevated at around 9 to 10% of the float. So here's the key takeaway. This isn't just a bounce, it's a technical and fundamental confirmation. The pivot into affordable EVs is working. Cost discipline is in motion. Chart trends are signaling momentum. And investor sentiment may be shifting as earnings season approaches. What to watch next? First, July delivery numbers. Continued growth from the Onvo and Firefly lines, plus early looks at L90 pre-orders, would reinforce momentum. Second, Q2 earnings in August. Management's ability to show margin expansion and delivery strength could be a game changer. Third, technical resistance around the $5.10 to $5.20 area. If NIO breaks through that with volume, it opens up more potential upside. Fourth, any update on battery swap profitability or network expansion, those infrastructure gains are still unique to NIO. Finally, listen to sentiment shifts. If analysts begin to revise targets upward, or if institutional money flows in, that would match today's bounce with strategic substance. In short, today's move wasn't random. It fits with a narrative we've been tracking all month: mass market EV adoption, profit discipline, battery infrastructure expansion, and short interest setup. All that, coupled with shifting technical momentum, makes for an environment worth watching. Are you still holding? Did you buy the bounce? Let me know in the comments. This rally isn't just a price move, it's a story that's still unfolding. If you're finding these updates helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I'll be tracking NIO's next moves right here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.